Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Leon. I was born and raised in Santiago, Chile. After I became a physical education teacher in 2004, I became more interested in the study of the mind and consciousness. And that's how eventually I ran into the teachings of the Buddha, or Buddha Dharma. I've been trying to investigate, research and practice what I understand to be the teachings of the Buddha since 2011. And eventually in 2016, I got my master's degree in Buddhist studies in the International Buddhist College here in Thailand. So I will be sharing with you our morning meditations with the most detailed technique that you can find in the early Buddhist texts called Anapanasati, or remembrance of breathing. We're going to be sharing 16 steps where we go through deeper and deeper states of investigation, starting with the body, sensations, emotions, thoughts, and so forth, where this meditation technique has been described as containing the whole path of practice taught by the Buddha. So I wish you all the best in this new adventure you're about to start, and looking forward to hearing back from you.